Hello and welcome to another devlog of my solo indie adventure game. Last time we looked at the roadmap and I think the topic was a bit too lame. What you say? I'm so sorry for that. I hope I can show you some more cool stuff again in this video. Today I want to show you what I've done the last week. It's more style related and less functional, so let's dive deep into it. To bring the light in the game world a little closer to reality, I thought it would be really cool to rotate the shadows along with the change of the skybox so that it seems that the sun is different in the morning than at noon or in the evening. To make this happen, I did nothing but simply rotate the directional light with the time. Needless to say, it worked right off the bat because of course I didn't have a super stupid bug in my code. So with the bug fixed, the flickering is ended and instead we have a fake sun that rotates with the time and so changes the shadows. In general, I reduced the amount of ambient light so that the light sources like torches or bonfires have more impact to the game world. Here you can see the before and after. I made this decision because I think it's important for a game to build tension and a certain mood, and light is a crucial element for that. I also changed my water shader. The old shader was very flat, not very transparent, and the waves were rather unpleasant. The shader was too cartoony for the style I was going for, so I replaced it. The new shader is just as colorful as the old one, but is more translucent and becomes more opaque as the depth increases. It also reflects the light, the sun and certain objects so that flares can occur in the water. In addition, the waves look much more realistic and it is more fun to just watch the water. The water shader is from the same asset pack as my grass, so I thought the style would also fit well with my current game world. I put the link to the asset in the video description. What else happened? I finally expanded my game world again by, to be honest, a very small area. In this zone there is a signpost which, in the best case, will show the way in the certain directions in the near future. Also at this point you can see the first building in the entire game world. It is a bell tower, which probably jumps directly into the player's eyes because it's located on the coast. Let's see what story points I'll tie to this place, but I'm sure I'll come up with something not too terrible. I hope you enjoyed this devlog. If so, then I would be very happy if you subscribe to this channel and leave a like there. Thanks for joining me in this episode. See you in the next one.